Hello, Arts for All. Welcome back, and this is episode 5. So, I was thinking about which tap step to share with you for episode 5. And I think this time around, we're going to combine all of the steps together. Yes, so we're going to take the toe heel, then we're going to take the shuffle step, then we're going to take the cramp roll, and then we're going to do the shuffle toe heel, and we're going to combine all those together, all right? Okay? So next time I see you, we'll be doing all of those together. All right. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of the steps of the previous videos together with the music all at one time. All right. So we start off with the toe heel, shuffle step, cramp roll, and then shuffle toe heel. Okay. And we're going to do 4 of each, all right? Okay? So we'll do 4 toe heels, 4 shuffle steps, 4 cramp rolls, and 4 shuffle toe heels, all right? 1, 2, 1, 2, right foot. Shuffle step. Roll. Shuffle toe heel. This time, we're going to do all of the steps together again, but we're going to increase the tempo. The tempo is how fast or slow music is, all right? So we're going to try it together, but we're going to increase the tempo. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what it looks and sounds like with the music at a faster tempo. So how did you do? Yes. If you notice, for all of these videos, I break the step down and then I add it with music, all right? So there's 2 different takes that you can work on it. You can work on it without music, and then once you get comfortable with that, you can actually add the music to it, all right? And if you notice with this, I also did 2 different tempos, yeah? So you could play around with the different tempos. One a slower tempo, and then one a much more faster tempo, all right? I hope you've enjoyed yourself, Arts for All. I really have enjoyed working with you all, yes, I look forward to seeing you again and working with you again, and hopefully next time it'll be in person.